Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a Saturday morning mix as well as Snowmen of January. And so I'll have Jill Norwood's channel as well as Hannah White's channel linked down below and their hashtags, which will be directly up underneath this video. All right, so let's just jump right in. I use some tea-dye distress ink for the edges of my card and the snowman. From this set here, I'm just using Wishing You a Merry Christmas. And from this set here, which is an online haul, I don't even remember where I got it from. But anyways, I got these two sets here that I'm using. This one's CC Designs. I'm using this right here. This is CC Designs as well. I'm using some of the alphabet out of there. And then right here, I am using both of these. And this is this is Gina Marie. And then from Cottage Cuts, I'm using these holly leaves there. And then Jaded Blossom, I am using these two right here. All right, so let's show you what I have created. There we go. Didn't he turn out so cute? I got this image from one of my good friends, and she should be starting a YouTube channel soon, so keep on the lookout. Her channel name is Girlia Cards. As a matter of fact, you can go over and already subscribe. She'll have it up. But anyways, this is what I use. She sent me this image, which came from Peachy Keen Stamps. And I just colored him up. He's just too cute. I inked the sizes of that die there, as well as this outer die here, and the jolly. And then I layered that jolly up twice, and I used those little banner dies just to add a little bit of decoration there. And then I also did the inside, which is where I used the Jaded Blossom dies and that stamp. I thought he turned out super cute. So tell me what you think down below. Make sure you hit those hashtags so you can head over and see what else everyone else has created, as well as the ladies' channels that's hosting these challenges. All right, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.